Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Spyder is a powerful integrated development environment, IDE, for Python that provides a comprehensive set of tools for code editing, debugging, and data analysis. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of using Spyder for writing and running Python programs. Step 1, Installation. 1. Download and install Anaconda distribution from https://www.anaconda.com/products/distribution. 2. Launch Anaconda Navigator and install Spyder from the list of available packages. Step 2, Writing Python code. 1. Open Spyder IDE from the Anaconda Navigator. 2. Create a new Python script by clicking on File-New File. 3. Write your Python code in the editor pane. 4. Save the file with a .py extension. Step 3, Running Python code. 1. To run the code, click on the green play button in the toolbar or press F5. 2. The output will be displayed in the ipython console at the bottom of the Spyder window. Step 4, Debugging Python code. 1. Set breakpoints in your code by clicking on the left margin of the editor pane. 2. Click on the bug icon in the toolbar or press Ctrl plus F5 to start debugging. 3. Use the debugging controls, play, pause, step over, step into, to navigate through the code and inspect variables. Step 5, Using Variable Explorer. 1. The Variable Explorer pane displays all the variables in your current workspace. 2. You can view and modify the values of variables directly from the Variable Explorer. Step 6, Plotting and Data Analysis. 1. Spyder comes with a built-in ipython console that supports data analysis libraries like NumPy, pandas, and matplotlib. 2. You can plot graphs and analyze data using these libraries directly within Spyder. Example. Conclusion. Spyder is a versatile IDE that provides a user-friendly interface for writing, running, and debugging Python code. By following this tutorial, you should now have a good understanding of how to use Spyder for your Python programming tasks.